then stop right there. Because this video can be the next best thing you see on the internet today. As we know, Battleground Mobile India or BGMI is currently one of the famous battle royale game in India. So hello fellow gamers, I am Ansh and I am going to tell you a few tips and tricks which can improve your gameplay in BGMI. So first, I am going to tell you a few controls that a lot of players don't know, except a few pro players. So the first one is aim assist. Have you heard of the aim assist in BGMI? In BGMI game, go to your basic settings and the first thing you see is aim assist. Well, aim assist, as per the name, is a feature that helps you to aim better. Enable your aim assist just like I did. Let's go find an enemy. So there the zombie comes. As you can see, the aim assist is helping me to focus and to shoot the enemy in a close range. Now I need to run because there are so many zombies and they are attacking me. This is a useful feature for beginners, but not for so much pro players. In a match, aim assist focus on the body of the enemy. So if you want to aim on the head, you will take your aim till the head. But in that time, enemy will shoot you down. So this feature is moreover good for beginners, not for pro players. So our next setting is called peak. Go to settings and scroll down. You will see this peak settings. Enable your peak, and once you enable it, you will see two options disabled: open scope while peeking and camera rotation while leaning. You should enable both of them. And when you enable peek and open scope, that helps you when you peek down, your scope will automatically open if it is there on the gun. And put this setting on the mix mode. So if you tap on the peek button, it will also open, and you have to tap once more to close it. And for hold, you have to hold the peek option. Once you remove your thumb from there, it will be off, and so you should put it on mixed. Now remember, you should always peek from right side, not from your left, because each BGMI player or any counter game, the player is right-handed. That means he holds the gun in his right hand, not in his left. So if you peek from right side, then only a big part of your body like your right hand's elbow and a big part of your head will be visible. But if you peek from left side, your whole body will be visible. So as you can see in the video, I am playing as left-sided because the aim, or because this, my aim, who is this over here, he is moving and I'm shooting. Say for example, this is a real guy, then he would shoot me because I am visible. My whole body is visible. So this is the thing you should avoid. Now if you take from right side, like I am doing, only a bit part of your head will be visible. And you can shoot the enemy and he would not even know from where you are shooting. And headshot is very good. Now all BGMI gamers land in a lobby before the match begins, and at the time the game begins, there is a 13 to 14 seconds broadcast message that says,
"This is a simulation game set in a virtual world and does not represent real life. Please play in moderation, take frequent breaks, and play responsibly."
Now what it says is important, but every time you start the match, it is read out loud, just like if you scratch your nails on the chalkboard. Now it is irritating for any gamers who is there to just have a good game. But hold on there, I have a trick to remove this broadcast. Now go to your basic settings, go to social, scroll down to social, Now you will find an option of Spawn Island Broadcast. Just disable it like I did. It will be enabled, but you need to disable it. And once you start your game again, boom, it will be gone. I hope these settings will help you for your next BGMI game. Now let us talk about few ways in which you can improve your gameplay. Before, can you tell me or can you spot me in this picture? No, right? Similarly, your enemy wouldn't be able to spot you if you wear a ghillie suit like me. Now, a ghillie suit is a camouflaging suit that mixes you up in your surrounding just like a chameleon. Ghillie suit can be found in drops, and there are basically two types of ghillie suit which are available in our BGMI right now. Basically, they are white and green. Choose one which is best for your surrounding and best for your map. Now, don't we all love the drop which takes place? We want to grab the best weapon in the drop. And you can also get a ghillie suit over there. But wait, don't just rush towards it, because if you are the first one, then loot it, but be careful, because there can be another enemy who's camping. And if you are late and the drop has already landed on the ground, then stay hidden. Most of the time it is near a mountain. Go on the mountain and camp over there. And wait for the enemy to come to the site and attack them first. Collect all the drops item which is there, and that the enemy's loot also. That way you can make sure no one can attack you at the drop site. But be careful of a squad. Stay hidden. Do not get spotted. If you get, quickly change your place. Wait for the right time to shoot them, or you can simply use a flare grenade to throw at them and blast them out. But if you are peeking from a tree, remember the point. Do not peek from the left side. Do not expose your body. Peek from the right side so that only your gun, elbow, and a bit part of your head is visible. That's all for today, guys. I hope these tips and tricks help you for your next BGMI game. Soon enough, you will be undefeatable. Stay tuned for such exciting videos. Do not forget to like and subscribe. This is Ansh signing off. Bye.
Yay!